Hi, this is Mimi Dakar, and I am so excited to show you our beautiful limited edition gift with purchase that we have in honor of our 30th anniversary. We've created this gorgeous Sonya Dakar cosmetic pouch. It is a monochromatic pink. I love it. It feels butter soft. It's vegan leather. It's pink all around, the zipper detail, and even on the inside. But best of all, can you guys see? We filled it with goodies. Let's see what's inside, okay? The first thing we have is our Sensi Wash. This is our #1 selling creamy, milky cleanser that will gently take the whole day away. We've also filled it with our Stem Cell Transformer. This is our anti-aging concentrate. A 1 ounce of this will retail for $195. In addition to that, there's a Retinu serum. It's liquid silk. It will literally give you the most beautiful skin texture. We also have our Flash Facial, our 1-minute peel. This is our best-selling item. And in 1 minute, you can literally slough off all your dead skin. We also have our Superlift Eye Serum to firm and lift your delicate eye area. And then our favorite and everyone's favorite, Rose Gold Radiance Mask. This is to refine the skin texture and the pore size. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus this gorgeous cosmetic bag. We only made a limited edition, so please go online and grab them while they are still available.